A Walmart Capital One card that suddenly declines is usually not a card failure. It's most often a payment verification issue, a temporary system hold, or a mismatch between your account status and the transaction type. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons the card stops working and the exact steps to fix it so it works again at checkout or online. Here's what's going on. First, the Walmart credit card runs through Capital One's network. That means every transaction is checked in real time for fraud protection, available credit, and account status before it's approved. If any of those checks fail, the card gets declined even if you know you have money available. Now the most common cause is a temporary security block. Capital One can flag purchases when they look different from your normal spending pattern, especially large transactions or unusual locations. In that case, the card isn't broken. It's paused until you verify the purchase inside the Capital One app or by responding to an alert. Another common issue is available credit confusion. People often mistake total credit limit for available credit. Pending charges and holds can reduce your available balance even if the payment hasn't fully posted yet. That can trigger a decline at checkout. A third issue is payment method mismatch. Some Walmart transactions, especially online or pickup orders, require specific card authentication steps. If billing details don't match exactly, the payment can fail. So here's how to fix it, step by step. Start by opening the Capital One app and checking for alerts or verification requests. Clear any pending notifications first. Next, review your available credit instead of your total limit. Look for pending transactions that might be holding your balance. Then, if the card still isn't working, remove it from Walmart checkout and re-add it. This forces the system to refresh your payment token and fix stored errors. If none of that works, a temporary lock or account restriction may be active, which requires contacting Capital One support directly to unlock the card. The key idea is simple. Most Walmart Capital One card issues are not permanent problems. They are system checks that need verification or a refresh. To sum it up, declines usually come from security checks, available credit confusion, or billing mismatches, and most issues can be fixed inside the Capital One app or by re-adding the card. Next step is simple. Check your Capital One app first before trying the card again, because most blocks show up there before they show up at checkout. If you want more clear fixes like this, subscribe for straightforward breakdowns of credit card and Walmart payment issues without the confusion.